Okay everybody, we're going to be putting a plug into the rear tire of the Kaabo Wolf King. These are the stock tires. So I had a glass shard go inside right here. Alright, so I got this Pro Bike Toolkit off Amazon. You can turn this around, you can screw it in, so you can use it as a handle, right? So basically you want to force this in there. It's extremely hard, but it's possible, right? See? That hole right there, you're going to be putting it in there. Make sure not to put it too far in, right? And then you're going to twist, not too fast, just enough, and pull. See, completely out. The plug is right there. Seems good. So I'm gonna plug it up with my portable pump, Hyper Tough pump. So that's how you end up putting a plug into the tire.